Hi guys, this is Sophie from LetsEnhance. Do you have a family photo that you thought are beyond restoration? You can fix it now. We just launched Old Photos, a new AI tool that takes old, scratched, faded photos and gives them new life in just a few clicks. Let me show you how. So first of all, you need to go to our studio and upload a photo. I would be using this old photo of my grandfather. Then through the upscale and enhance restoration, you need to call all photo and click enhance. It takes around a few seconds to process the file. Yeah, here we go. You can preview the restoration. And if you're not happy, you can do it one more time. You will get a little bit of the variation. After that, we need to upscale the file. The results are still pretty small. And click enhance one more time. That's it. The photo looks much better and sharper. Now we need to download it. Let's compare before and after. Now we have great restored, refreshed photo that we can use for videos, for print, or just family archives. Happy restorating!